don't come to Mangalore. Here and there, you see people are fighting. If you see their rivalry, right? They are like worst enemies you'll see. If you taste anything,
Even she was so helpful. She ran so fast. I got charged 800 rupees.
belly dance thing here. Now there is.
What? It's there and here.
So stock market, now it is here.
It's good that we had this conversation. Okay, Tadi. I feel like, I'm trapped. So she's helping with places. So until now, we have noted down Mangala Devi. And after this, she has said that eat ice cream and then sleep. Yeah. First, we'll go to take the car now on ride. That will take an hour. And then I think so directly from there, we should go to Panambur Beach, where we can see the sunset.
Yes.
And then from there,
You
we
can
can go
go
to
to Tandoor.
Tandoor or Rocks.
Yeah.
So what is the best thing you feel like Mangalore is different from other
Okay.
places?
So talking about Mangalore, the thing is less traffic.
That is one thing I definitely.
Yeah.
I
So-
even asked the driver, is this the regular traffic or there is like no traffic at all? He's like, there's no traffic.
Yeah, this
No
is the
issues.
traffic. Whatever you see here right now,
Ah.
this is the traffic. We don't even call it a traffic unless it is, peak time like 9 o'clock where all the students and employees go to
Morning
work,
9.
and evening like 5 o'clock, 6
Okay.
o'clock. Other than that, there is nothing. So that is one good thing. Second thing, people are really nice.
Okay.
Something happens, there is someone definitely to help you. It's not like, oh, who gives a shit about it? No.
Understood.
Mangalore people are never like that. Third thing, you go to someone's home, they'll be welcoming. Atiti Devo Bhava is, the best thing in Mangalore. You go somewhere for help, for food, for water, they will welcome. Yeah, so that is one thing. Then we have our ice cream. Yeah,
Ideal
that
ice
is
cream.
famous, right? So
I mean,
definitely we
I
are
didn't know
proud.
about it. Like you, Ravi sir said, and then when you were saying
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
that is what I got excited.
So
for
there
that.
is a hype, okay, and the hype is real. So definitely you can try that. Other than that, beaches.
Beaches.
Very calm,
Because
very
it's a coastal
nice.
city.
Yeah, it is very nice.
But you have seen beaches at other places? Like you've been to
I've-
Goa?
Yeah, I've been to Goa.
So how you compare Goa beaches to Mangalore beaches?
You go to Goa and what do you see there? We don't see that here. Here it is like pure joy. People laughing, playing, having their own time. And some of the places where I've been, not to take the names, there is like a lot of fight here and there.
Achha.
Here and there you see people are fighting. Mangalore people, they gossip. They don't
Okay.
fight.
Okay.
And even if there is fight, the fight is between the buses, okay?
Achha.
It is like it might sound little strange. There are two buses competing to reach first so that they move people. And the drivers and the conductors, they are actually friends because
Okay.
they belong to the same bus association.
Right.
But at that time, if you see their rivalry, right, they are like worst enemies you'll see ever. And once the bus stops and reach the bus stand, then they are again friends. So that is the beauty of Mangalore. Yeah, and then fishes. Yeah, fish meals.
Which fish do you recommend?
You taste anything is
Like
good.
so like
Bangude is
we like Bombay guys. We normally eat surmai. If you know the name surmai. I don't know what is it called in English. But surmai is there. Pomfret. Pomfret you must
Yeah.
have, right? Prawns.
Prawns is my favorite.
Prawns is common.
Yeah.
So we can I can try prawns over here because I'm very
definitely.
much accommodated with prawns because I don't eat fish that much, not into non-veg that much. But yes, prawns is one thing I can try.
Yeah. So
And
other than that, do you eat pork?
pork no.
Otherwise,
Pork and beef no.
this is. Sorry.
Ah,
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ
thank you.
ಸರಿ.
Like, even she was so helpful.
See.
we
That is
went
what- that is
also-
one
we went to the
experience.
house. She ran so fast to get the keys. Because actually I want to tell her to stop. It's okay, you can go aram se. But she ran so fast and she got the keys.
Mangalore people are like that. Like helping someone is, the trait. And you'll see people,
So this
smiling.
looks very different from, no offense to Bangalore, but looks very different from Bangalore. I've been to Bangalore so many times for work.
I've been twice.
Ah.
And I've seen the experience. Like it is very different.
Ah.
Here we see each other. Even if we don't recognize them, we don't know them. We just have a smile if they look at us.
People are humble.
Really, very much. And helping nature is, you will see anywhere. Even the auto drivers and all. Some places you see, they, what do they say? They charge extra and all. Here it is
Ah.
very less. Very less comparatively.
But for example, from airport, if you come here, how much do you feel you'll get charged?
That depends. We are not tourists, so we call our local people to pick us up.
So like I got charged 800 rupees too.
To
From
till
airport till here. It was 12 kilometers.
was it a cab?
It was a cab.
Then
Because what I've
makes
had my
sense.
experience here in Chennai, what they do is normally we book the cab from the apps, na? Then they charge again extra on top of it, and then they say कि इतना देना ही पड़ेगा तो ही we will go. This is what we are seeing.
Okay, that might happen, but once you reach Mangalore, once you are in the city, it doesn't happen much. And here also, if you see the education sector, very developed. If you see the hospitalization, very nice.
So it's like their own circle.
But
And
best.
People are
There are beaches, there are education centers, there are hospitals, there are different things like first there was no belly dance thing here. Now there is
what?
belly dance and all.
Belly dance?
Yeah,
It's there and here.
yeah, it's here.
Okay.
Okay, means the workshop they teach, right? So
Achha.
that and all was not there in Mangalore. It was pretty simple, drawing, craft, piano, like music stuff.
But why is like belly dance like?
There are some. See, belly dance is often linked with nudity and stuff, right?
Yes, like if
Huh.
you go to Dubai or something, it's like belly dance is like a different kind
Yeah,
of
they
dance.
think something different.
Yes.
Because in the olden days, it used to be considered like that.
Huh.
But right now, I have one of my friends who's into it. She says there are like multiple benefits to your health because of that.
Okay.
It is not just a dance.
Okay.
Right now, we consider dance as a fitness part, right?
Right.
Belly dance is also similar to that. It
Okay.
is a person's like or dislike that they like belly dance or not.
Okay.
So that is one thing.
So it's getting popular in Bangalore.
Yes,
Okay.
it's not like very popular, but then you see, belly dancing is one thing that I like, and one more stock market.
Acha.
Yeah, see, it is a small city.
Okay.
It's not like overhyped or it doesn't exist. We are not at that level. We are at a good level.
Okay.
There are IT companies coming in. The stock market that I mentioned, right? So that is also one good thing happening in Bangalore. People are, understanding what it is, getting educated.
Okay.
Even in colleges, earlier it was not there. Now it is taught as a subject, and there are also different entities like organizations collaborating with the college to provide knowledge to
Wow.
students. Yeah. So stock market, it was in bigger cities. Now it is here. So Bangaloreans, if you ask what you don't have, we almost have everything. We are like very happy with Bangalore.
It's like in terms of if you want a good financial chill life, Bangalore
Definitely
is
Bangalore.
definitely a
Yeah.
place. I mean, I was seriously like, it's good that we had this conversation because otherwise I would have not known. I think
Bangalore.
still this we are talking in very brief. If
Yeah.
we go in detail, I think there's a lot of things.
Then toddy in Bangalore.
What?
Toddy.
What is toddy?
You don't know what is toddy?
No.
Okay, so I can't explain it in like very detail because I also know a little about it. It is like from the palm trees and coconut trees.
Okay, tadi.
I get thadi.
Okay,
In English it is toddy.
So basically, it's like a liquor, right? Indian
Yeah.
desi liquor, right?
Yeah.
So we call it tadi.
We call it
Back
toddy.
in our place, we call it tadi. Okay.
Okay. So that one early in the morning, some
Ah.
places you get like a raw toddy, very nice one without mixing.
Acha.
So if you get that in the morning, it is
Would you
must.
please recommend a place if we can get that tomorrow morning? You just try a glass.
Okay, you can do that. I'll tell a place. Okay, so you can definitely go there, and then toddy is one nice thing in Mangalore.
Okay. Because
I mean,
Bombay, I think we don't get very real tadi right now because they're mixing limestone.
Correct. That is what I said. No,
Ah.
you don't get the original one.
So here
They
there is
mix-
original
yeah,
everywhere,
there is.
authentic.
I don't say everywhere.
Okay.
Scams are everywhere.
Scams
No, not everyone is like okay, authentic, this, that. No.
Correct.
Everyone is thinking of their business, so
Right.
definitely
Right.
each place is like that. Now, if you think, okay, what do you think is the difference between Mumbai and Bangalore? What do you think?
I mean, there's vast difference.
Yeah,
Vast difference.
but then as a small city
Hmm.
and that place, what do you think?
So like if I compare a smaller city, like a smaller place in Bombay, so for example like a place called, like you go to any smaller place also in Bombay, it's still crowded. It's still crowded because there's so much
Overpopulated.
overpopulated, there's so much saturation. So that is why the traffic comes in. Secondly, there's no peace of life.
Definitely.
The major issue. So what I am experiencing since these many days is like we are just struggling since morning to night. Correct? Morning you wake up and then until night you are just busy in something or the other. And similar thing which we see in small towns. the person is not earning the whole day for investing somewhere where he will lose that money, and then someone will take off that money, or someone will that money will go away somewhere or the other, and he's running for that money only. But in small towns, what happens is the person is earning that what he will eat in the night.
Correct.
He's more interested in what will my lunch be, what would be my dinner be, which place am I going to visit, or what is my social event is going to be this particular week or this particular weekend. People are more inclined towards these things, and I think these are more important things.
Actually, life is that, don't you think?
Exactly, life is
now
that exactly.
The major cities, right? Like if you consider now Bombay, Bangalore, and all that, if you see there, it is like people are working. They have no chill.
Exactly.
Okay, they have no chill. You see Bangaloreans, it's not just Bangaloreans, some village or like mid city. It is not like very developed and thing. They work. In the evening they chill. They just chill. They have their family life.
Exactly.
They have their family life. They go out on the weekends. They enjoy. It's like the major city people also, they go out and chill. But that peace of mind is not there.
Exactly.
That is what I've seen. They're just behind money.
And what I've also seen that like in our sector, event sector, you go to any place like maybe Goa you go, or maybe you go to Chennai, you go to South, any place. No one picks up the call after 7 p.m. No one picks up. Then fuck off. We don't care. Your event is there, whatever is there. If you need to tell us something, tell us before 5 p.m., 6 p.m. After 7 p.m., they open their bottles. And then they are not. So exactly, I think life is all about that, and that is the major vast difference which people in the cities are not understanding. And right now people have started understanding and getting a bit of realization. That's why these weekend homes are getting more popular. Airbnbs are getting more popular because of it. Because for example, I also every Friday then I tend to that what I need to do. I am running my own business, but still I feel like I'm trapped. Monday to Saturday you're still trapped. You need an escape.
Exactly.
First thing is air quality. Anywhere in Bombay.
Come to Bangalore, look at
anywhere. So that is what now when I got out of the airport and the first time I took the air, I inhaled, it was good, and you automatically feel that if the air quality is good or bad. You don't even have to check the index.
Correct.
In Bombay, when you breathe, you will feel suffocated. Like you go for a morning walk or you go for a night walk. Doesn't make any sense.
Exactly.
Because you're getting bad air. I think that is the most vast difference, and that is what has motivated me to travel more, is because how less of I can stay in the city and how more I can stay outside with nature is what motivates me to travel more.